Hi guys, I'm Andy and this video is a re-upload from my older video where I had some background music, but many viewers commented negative about the music. So I re-upload the video without any music. Instead of the annoying music there will be an awkward silence. Please leave a comment which version do you like more. So in this video I will show step by step how I diagnose a PC with no video signal. I will show almost step by step, because I already blown out the dust yesterday night when my friend brought this PC. His 3 years old son spilled a glass of Coca-Cola on the laptop when he was watching cartoons on YouTube. The laptop motherboard is toasted, so my friend has returned to his old PC. But when he was trying to turning on, the PC had no video signal, so he brought to me to repair, if I can. This PC is about 7 or 10 years old PC. The first thing, it was to blow out the dust. Because was over 9 PM and was dark outside, I didn't filmed that part. But I can say there was a lot of dust in the PC case, especially on the CPU fan and in the power supply. I plugged in the monitor, the power cables, the mouse and keyboard. So in step 1, I was blown out the dust. I don't like to work with a dusty PC. Step 2, I will make a visual inspection on the motherboard. I will look for any blown electrolytic caps or any burned electronic parts. Everything is looking good. The motherboard is an ECSA 780LMM2, socket AM3 motherboard. The motherboard has 2 slots for RAM memory, with 1 stick memory installed. The hard disk drive and the optical drive is parallel ATA, so the PC is not a new generation PC. Step 3, I will try to turn on the PC. The CPU and the power supply fans are spinning. There is no video signal. The fans are still spinning. I don't hear any BIOS post beeping sound, so I turn off the PC. The PC won't turn off from the power button, so I will turn off from the power supply. Step 4, I will reset the BIOS settings to the default settings. I will remove the BIOS battery with a screwdriver. I usually short out the BIOS for about 10 seconds, I count to 10 in my mind. Step 5, I verify the BIOS battery charging level, because this is an old PC, it was not used for years, maybe the battery is drained out. For this I will use my old multimeter, I bought for about $10 US. The BIOS battery is a Maxwell CR2032, 3 volts battery. With the red probe I touch the battery plus side, with the black probe I touch the battery negative side. The battery has been drained out, the good battery has over 3 volts. And this has only about 0.30 volts. Step 6, I will replace the battery and see what happens. I measure first the battery, and the new battery has 3.12 volts. Step 7, I switch on the power supply and turn on the PC. The fans are spinning, I can't hear any BIOS sound, and again there is no video signal. I turn off the PC from the power supply and wait to discharge the capacitors and to stop the fans. Step 8, I remove the RAM, If the motherboard has no RAM, the motherboard will give me a beeping sound. Step 9, I switch on the power supply and turn on the PC. The fans are spinning, I can't hear any BIOS sound, and again there is no video signal. Step 10, I will test the power supply with a power supply tester. I used this tester in the past, but sometimes it failed to work properly. If someone used this cheap power tester, please leave a comment how accurate was it. So even if the test is okay, I will try with another power supply. It seems the power good is not okay. Now I will try with another power supply. I will not remove the old power supply. I will plug only the 24 pin and the 4 pin connector. I put back the RAM memory and power on the PC. I plug in the power cable and I turn on the PC. The fans are spinning and finally I have video signal. The Windows is not loading, because I didn't plug the power cable for the hard disk drive. I turn off the PC and remove the new power supply. I remove the old power supply and disassembly to see if I can repair, or my friend has to buy a new power supply, or maybe a new laptop. His laptop was broken by his son on the 4th of December and he is running short of money, if you know what I mean. My electronic knowledge is very basic. I will look for blown caps, but if the caps are in good shape I can't repair this power supply. I have lucky, the two big caps are blown. Usually the caps from 12 volts side are blown. Now I will replace the two blown caps and I will return after that. The two caps are replaced and I put back the old power supply in the PC. I turn on the PC, the fans are spinning and I have video signal. I press F1 and enter in the BIOS to set the date and time. By pressing the F10 key, I save the settings and reboot the PC. The Windows is loading, it is Windows XP. The CPU is AMD Sempron 145, running at 2.80 GHz with 1 GB of RAM. So that's it, I hope it was useful. If I done something wrong or you would done in another way, let me know in the comment section. See you next time, goodbye.